trying to get your flying saucer repaired, my man?
I'm trying to get a flying saucer license, as a matter of fact.
Yeah, I could use one of those too. Welcome to the Somethin Or Other Tour. We just happened upon Coyote's Flying Saucer Retrievals and Repair Service out here in the Jacumba Desert. Jacumba. So we don't really know what this is. There's just like flying saucer parts everywhere. So we're gonna walk around and look. I don't know if anyone's here. I don't want to disturb. Is anyone here? You don't want to disturb anyone? Alright. Rattlesnake Saloon. Well, howdy, partner. Come on into the saloon. Get a cold sarsaparilla, hang out. Everyone feels at home at Coyote Rattlesnake Saloon. Dude, look at all, what is all this?
It's like a strip club. That's funny, dude.
Is it? You think it's a desert strip club?
I think it's a desert strip club, my man.
Get on up there and shake your tail feathers, man.
It's all you.
Dude, this is a nice couch.
I know.
Dude, we can't leave this here.
Look at the truck.
Hey.
Just standing next to the strip club, huh?
Yeah. Hoping for the next showing here. Hey Phil, I'm gonna need your finest sarsaparilla. It's been a long day out in the mines.
All the shot up car parts and shit, dude.
Look at all these batteries. Look at this power station.
It is on. These are actually working, they're on.
Check out the sausage. That's a scary one right there. Here's some of the flying saucers that they repair here. Pretty cool. I hope they have AC, because that would be miserable.
Yeah, that would be terrible for sure.
see how much these saucers go for. It's really cool. If you need your flying saucer repaired, this is the place to go. Right here. Coyote's Flying Saucer Retrieval and Repair, my man. Coyotes. Come down to Coyotes.
Come on down.
Come on down for all your flying saucer needs.